Hello everyone. Good morning. Dears, today we are going to start our 7th chapter, Conservation of Plants and Animals. Our chapter name is Conservation of Plants and Animals. Dear students, a great variety of plants and animals exist on earth. They are essential for the well-being and survival of mankind. But today, a major threat to survival of this organism is deforestation. Do you know what is deforestation? Yes, deforestation means clearing of forest and using that land for other purposes. Okay, clearing of forest and using that land for other purposes. So dears, let's learn more about deforestation, its causes and its consequences. Okay. Yes. What are the causes of deforestation? Do you know the answer? Procuring land for cultivation, building houses and factories, making furniture or using wood as fuel, then to create room for cattle ranching, and to make commercial items such as paper, furniture, etc. Okay, these are some reasons. Then you can add more points. Some natural causes of deforestation are forest fires and severe droughts. Let's discuss about the consequences of deforestation. Deforestation increases the temperature and pollution level on the earth. It increases the temperature and pollution level on the earth. It increases the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Groundwater level also gets lowered. Deforestation disturbs the balance in nature. If we cutting off trees continues, rainfall and the fertility of the soil will decreases. Rainfall decreases and the fertility of the soil will decreases. Moreover, there will be increased chances of natural calamities such as floods and droughts. Okay, then dears, we know that plants need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Plants need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Fewer trees would means that less carbon dioxide will be used up, resulting in it increased the amount in atmosphere. That means less plants means the higher amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This will lead to global warming as carbon dioxide traps the heat rays reflected by the earth. The increase in temperature on the earth disturbs the water cycle and may reduce rainfall. This could cause drought. So what is drought? The lack of rainfall causes drought. Okay. Deforestation is a major cause which leads to the change in soil properties. Physical properties of the soil get affected by plantation and vegetation. Dears, in class 7, we learn how trees prevent soil erosion. How trees prevent soil erosion. So, fewer trees result in more soil erosion. the less number of trees, it results in more soil erosion. Removal of the top layer of the soil exposes the lower, hard and rocky layers. Removal of the top layer of the soil exposes the lower, hard and rocky layers. The soil has less humus and is less fertile. Okay. This is the lower, hard and rocky layer. It contains only less humus and is less fertile. We know that the upper part of the soil which contains humus. Okay. This is lower part, so it contains less humus and is less fertile. Gradually, the fertile land gets converted into deserts. It is called desertification. This process is called desertification. It is less humus and it is less fertile soil. So, it is not good for cultivation. Okay. So, deforestation also leads to a decrease in the water holding capacity of the soil. The movement of water from the soil surface into the ground, that means infiltration process, that also we learn in 7th standard, seeping water or infiltration. So, deforestation also leads to a decrease in the water holding capacity of the soil. The movement of water from the soil surface into the ground, that is infiltration process, it is reduced. So, there are floods. Okay. The other properties of the soil like nutrient contents, texture, etc. also change because of deforestation. Let's move conservation of forest and wildlife. Conservation of forest and wildlife. To protect our flora and fauna and their habitats, protected areas called sanctuaries, national parks and biosphere reserves have been earmarked. Plantation, cultivation, grazing, felling trees, hunting and poaching are prohibited there. So dears, sanctuaries, national parks and biosphere reserves are protected areas. Dears, do you know what is flora and fauna? The plants found in a particular area are termed flora, and the animals found in a particular area are termed as fauna of that area. Okay. My dear students, hope all of you understood today's class. Then if you have any doubt, you can ask me now. We can continue on next class. Thank you. Have a good day.